What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wukop Entertainment. So, Kelly was now feeling so much pressure during the investigation of Jocelyn Smith. So, with the pressure mounting, Kelly then called a witness who goes by the name Rasta to try and support her version of the events. But unfortunately for Kelly, this witness Rasta denied knowing anything about Jocelyn Smith. This obviously was a disaster for Kelly because Rasta definitely threw Kelly under the bus, and she wasn't expecting that. So what this means now for Kelly is that she has to find another witness who might support her version of the events. And so far, this is a disaster for Kelly's credibility because it has taken a hit from her own circle. And Kelly now has to find another witness who might have to back up her story, because so far it appearing as if Rasta is now on the side of the prosecution. So whether intentionally or just speaking truthfully, Rasta ended up exposing Kelly's suspicious behavior and inconsistencies. In court, this kind of testimony is incredibly damaging, especially coming from a witness called by the person being implicated. It's a disaster. So, yeah, Kelly called him to help her, but Rasta's testimony did the opposite. So what this means for the prosecution is that they can actually use this momentum to push even harder. That is by actually encouraging other witnesses to come forward and even offer a plea deal to other suspects in exchange for a testimony, because so far the prosecution is definitely winning. They're definitely leading on the table. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.